Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have e to the power of x to the power of 3, similar for this one. So in this situation, we need to divide both sides by e to the power of x to the power of 3. So we will have this one left. Next, we have s squared. We can do about factorization. Next, dy will go to the right. And we have negative dy. Later that we divide both sides by 3y minus 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integral of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3 equals to negative 1 over 3 ln of 3y minus 1. And we put about c in here. Number 3, we simplify by multiply both sides by number 3. We know that 3c, c is about the constant, so we can write c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.